What do you do, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, Nella at Home. In today's video, I'll be cleaning and smudging my apartment. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright y'all, I am using a sage that I purchased from Whole Foods to smudge my apartment. The reason why I am smudging my apartment is because pest control came in today to work on my balcony, and because an unfamiliar energy came inside my apartment, I don't know what type of energy he brought with him, so it's best to just smudge the whole apartment. I did not just do the living room and the kitchen, I did go into my bedroom and my bathroom. In order for him to get to the balcony, I had to pull my rug to the side because he did not have a booty to put over his shoes to walk to the balcony. And the last thing I want is for someone to put their nasty shoes on my carpet. So why not just go ahead and sweep the floor since the rug is already pulled over to the side. We cannot forget about the window baseboard because it collects dust. My goodness, there's a whole lot of dust flying. Wow. So I'm moving the couch over so I can sweep and vacuum. Y'all see this? Out of sight, out of mind, right? We gotta get this. We gotta clean this baseboard. And of course, we cannot forget about the blinds. This right here is my favorite quote. It feels good to be lost in the right direction. That is so true. Alright, my beautiful people. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share with your fellow mates. Thumb this video up. Until next time, my beautiful people. Peace out.